Hi all, Namaste. Welcome to my channel. Hope all of you are doing great. If you're watching my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. As usual, they started with the household chores and breakfast preparation. मैले ब्रेकफास्ट को लागि boiled egg र smoothie तयार गरेको छु आज. What's so special today भन्दाखेरि आज July 7th, which is my birthday. So I thought of making puri and aloo dum. पुरी बनाउँदा चाहिँ म जहिले पनि मङ्गरेला यानी कि ब्ल्याक क्युमिन सीड र नुन राख्छु, जसले गर्दा चाहिँ पुरीको स्वाद एकदम एनहान्स गरिदिन्छ. Puris are getting ready. पुरी रेडी भइसकेको छ. इट्स रेडी टु सर्भ. योसँग खानको लागि मैले आलु दमको लागि उसिनेको आलु, प्याज, लसुन, खोर्सानी र पिसेको टमाटर युज गरेर बनाएको छु. र यसमा हल्का मैले क्युमिन पाउडर, कोरिएन्डर पाउडर र गरम मसला प्रयोग गरेर यो आलु दम बनाएको छु. सिम्पल रेसिपी हो. दिस इज व्हाट we ate. यो चाहिँ दिउँसो छोरीको सुत्ने टाइम हो. सुतेको करिब आधी घन्टा जस्तो भएको छ. म बिचमा चेक गर्न आएको. ऊ मजाले सुतिरहेकी छ.
That's a sauce, tomato sauce.
Yeah. Baby, you eat that dumplings.
It's for baby.
That's so many food. Yeah. You like? Okay, that's great. Start, Daddy.
Okay. Okay. Let's start. For someone whose birthday today,
Thank you.
and of course our cutie pie.
Cuckoo.
Okay.
Ray.
Just baby. Just baby. Yummy.
Yummy.
Baby sad face. Baby surprise face.
Oh my God.
Baby cry. Baby happy. Baby thinking. Baby worried. Baby laugh. Baby excited.
Oh, very cute, baby. Blink your eyes. Wink your eyes.
How funny.
How funny is that?
This is doing guys.
Yeah, see?
This side doing eye. मुख मात्रै बाँकिन्छ, आँखा त
for watching. Hope you like the video. See you soon in the next video. Until then, eat healthy, stay positive, and take care. Bye bye.